Hi viewers, welcome to the Cartesian system of coordinates, the session 2 of electromagnetic field theory. Here, let me consider three axes x, y and z which are at mutual perpendicular to each other as shown. That means the angle between x-axis and y-axis and z to y 90 degrees, and they are considered to be mutually perpendicular to each other. This is something like if you observe the corners of a room, if you consider a cubical room and observe the corners, we can observe the three axes x, y, z, which are mutually perpendicular to each other as shown here. See the corner which is going to be represented by the purple line, that is x-axis, and this is y and this is z. Here we define the unit vectors along x-axis and along y-axis and along z-axis. Let I bar, j bar and k bar are the unit vectors along x, y and z axis respectively. Sometimes this I bar is represented as ux or ax, and j bar as uy or ay, and k bar as uz or az. Unit vector will have the magnitude of 1, and hence here the vector a bar is equal to x length along x-axis, so it is represented as x I bar plus y length along y-axis and z length along z-axis. Next, we consider the dot product of unit vectors. As we know, if we consider the same unit vectors, the angle between them will be equal to 0. Hence, the dot product of I bar dot I bar, j bar dot j bar and k bar dot k bar will be equal to 1, because as we know the angle between them is equal to 0 and cos 0 is equal to 1. If you consider the dot product of any different unit vectors like I bar dot j bar or j bar dot k bar, etc., its magnitude will be equal to 0, because the angle between them will be 90 degrees and cos 90 will be equal to 0. Next, let me consider the cross product of unit vectors. Here, when we consider the cross product of the same unit vectors like I bar cross I bar or j bar cross j bar or k bar cross k bar, it will be equal to 0, because sine 0 will be equal to 0. And for the other unit vectors, if we consider the cross product for the other unit vectors, if you consider I bar cross j bar will be equal to k bar, and which is equal to minus j bar cross I bar, because k is the unit vector perpendicular to the both vectors I and j. Similarly, j bar cross k bar is equal to I bar, which is also equal to minus k bar cross j bar, and k bar cross I bar is equal to j bar, which is equal to minus I bar cross k bar. This is how we consider the cross product of unit vectors. Next, let us analyze in detail the dot product. Consider two vectors a bar, which is equal to ax I bar. Here the length along x-axis is considered as ax, and ay j bar, the length along y-axis is considered as ay, and az k bar. Similarly, b bar is equal to bx I bar plus by j bar plus bz k bar. Bx, by and bz are the lengths along x, y and z axis respectively. Now if we consider the dot product a bar dot b bar, modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into cosine of the angle between a and b, let us consider it as theta, then this is equal to a into b into cos theta, where a, b are the magnitudes of vector a and vector b. The value of a can be found out, which is equal to square root of ax square plus ay square plus az square, and b, the magnitude of b is given by square root of bx square plus by square plus bz square. Now let us consider the dot product of two vectors, considering a bar and b bar, such that a bar equal to ax I bar plus ay j bar plus az k bar dot the vector b bar is bx I bar plus by j bar plus bz k bar. And we know in dot product we will have the magnitudes only for the similar unit vectors, that is I bar dot I bar, j bar dot j bar, and k bar dot k bar. Hence we get the value as ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. And the same thing is equal to ab cos theta, and from these two we can have the magnitude of cos theta as equal to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz divided by a into b. That is how we find out the magnitude of cos theta by using the dot product of vectors. Next, let us analyze the cross product of two vectors a bar and b bar. Considering the same vectors as that of the previous, a bar cross b bar is equal to ax I bar plus ay j bar plus az k bar cross bx I bar plus by j bar plus bz k bar. And we know that in the case of cross product, the magnitudes are equal to 0 when we consider the same unit vectors I bar cross I bar or j bar cross j bar or k bar cross k bar. For the other unit vectors, the cross product was already shown. So here if you consider the first product ax I bar, we get ax by k bar minus ax bz j bar minus ay bx k bar plus ay bz I bar so here I bar dot k bar will be equal to, next when you consider az with respect to bx, az bx into k bar cross I bar will be equal to j bar. Next az by and k bar cross j bar will be equal to minus I bar, and az bz k bar cross will be equal to 0. And if we take out I bar as common, we get ay bz minus az by minus j bar into ax bz minus az bx and plus k bar ax by minus ay bx. And this is nothing but the determinant of a matrix consisting of 3 rows and 3 columns, among which the first row will be considered as the unit vectors I bar, j bar and k bar. The second row will be the coefficients of the first vector ax, ay and az, and the third row will be the coefficients of the second vector bx, by and bz. Now let us go through a problem which illustrates the dot product and cross product. Here we are given two vectors such that a bar is equal to 2ux minus 2uy plus uz and b bar equal to 2ux minus uy minus 2uz. Here ux comma uy comma uz are the unit vectors along xyz axis, and we are asked to find out the angle between a bar and b bar using dot product and vector product. First, let us solve this problem using the dot product of vectors. And if you find out a bar dot b bar, it will be equal to here the same unit vectors will lead to the value 2 into 2 plus minus 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 2, which is equal to 4, and modulus of a bar is equal to square root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 1, which is equal to square root of 9, and that is equal to 3. Similarly, modulus of b bar is equal to square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, which is equal to square root of 9, that is equal to 3. And the value of cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar divided by magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. That implies cos theta is given as 4 divided by 3 into 3, which is equal to 4 by 9, and theta is equal to cos inverse of 4 by 9, which gives rise to a value of 63.61 degrees. Now let us do the same problem using the vector product. Given a bar as equal to 2ux minus 2uy plus uz, and b bar as equal to 2ux minus uy minus 2uz. Once again I am writing down these two vectors here, and we know that a bar cross b bar is equal to modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into sine of the angle between the two vectors. I am considering it as theta here, into n cap. N cap is the unit vector. Now consider only the magnitude of a bar cross b bar. We get mod a mod b sine theta, because the magnitude of n cap will be equal to 1. Let us find out the cross product a bar cross b bar using the determinant. The first row will be ux, uy and uz. Second row will be the coefficients of the first matrix first vector a bar, and the third will be the coefficients of the second vector b bar. So if you consider ux, 2 into 2 4 plus 1 minus uy multiplied by minus 4 minus 2 plus uz multiplied by minus 2 plus 4, which gives rise to a value of 5ux plus 6uy plus 2uz, and the magnitude of a bar cross b bar is equal to square root of 5 square plus 6 square plus 2 square, which is equal to square root of 65. And we have already calculated the magnitudes of a bar and b bar, which both are equal to 3, we have got earlier. And the equation for sin theta is equal to modulus of a bar cross b bar divided by mod a into mod b, that equal to square root of 65 divided by 3 into 3, which is equal to 0.895. And therefrom, if you find out the magnitude of theta, which is equal to sin inverse of 0.895, that is equal to 63.61 degrees, which is the same as the thing that we have got using dot product also. So that is all for this session. In the next session, I would like to deal with cylindrical coordinate system in detail. Watch my channel and subscribe to my channel for getting more updates and videos. Thank you.